Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun, experience. Experience. The things you learn over time or through actions. So the things you learn by doing things, doing, or learning in general. The things you know, things you know how to do because of what you have done, seen, or learned. Yeah. So, but also something that leaves an impression on you. Your thoughts about something because of what you've seen. Because of what you've seen or done. Yes. So, my experience that night changed me. What happened that time changed me. My experience, the impression, what I saw, what I did. The things that happened then changed me. I'm a different person because of those events. I am a different person because of those events. I have had some experience with that. Yeah, so now I'm different. I am different, yeah. How cool is that? So, he has years of experience. He's been doing this for years and years and years. He knows what he's doing. He's had years of experience. He is skilled enough. Skilled. He knows how to do things with his hands. He knows how to create things. He has the tools. He knows what he's doing with his hands and how to use the tools. But years of experience or experiences. So singular, experience, and experiences. Experiences with an S. With an S. Yes, just add the S there. Very good. S. Very good. Experiences. Experiences. I am very experienced in teaching. I know how to teach. I have had different experiences around the world. Different events, situations, scenarios, temperatures, climates, cultures, languages, and beyond. Yeah. How cool is that? I experienced a lot while abroad. So while I was in Mexico or Spain, I experienced and saw different things. My experience, my impression that was given to me in Egypt was different from my experience, the things that happened to me compared to when I was in Mexico. They're different. Yeah. She knows what to do. She knows what to do. She has the experience. She has the know-how. The know-how. She can do it. She can do it. She knows what she's doing. She knows what she's doing. What she is doing, yeah. She is smart. Yeah. How cool is that? Do you want to experience zero gravity? This sensation, this feeling. Do you want to experience it? Do you want it to leave an impression on you? Do you want to have this experience? Do you want to have this experience? Yeah. This feeling. How cool is that? Yeah, because as it leaves an impression on you, you know what it feels like. You know what it's all about. You've done it. You've seen it. You've heard it. So now you can talk about it from first-hand experience instead of what other people have talked about or what people have read or written or other videos. Yeah. So my experience in Egypt was unique. I remember as soon as you open the door from the aeroplane to get off it as you land, the heat hit me. I'll never forget that. The heat, straight away, the temperature hit me. And that experience, that impression it left on me, that impression is unique. I'll never forget that. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So that is experience. So can you write your own sentence with experience in it? Write it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.